There is a political reality that we've witnessed over the past few months. He has spent 1 year and 3 months calling President Idi Mnangagwa names and launching all sorts of attacks. Zanabina mashoko obudayitoka panguva ino navashona panguva ino yatiri kuona kuti anouya achikominda panhau dze2030 nhau dzemapower dynamics emunyika yeZimbabwe. Zanabina muzvizere panguva ino ndozoti matomirira kunzwa kuti musoro nhasi akakubatirei ndokuti bva kusubscribe like on the bell icon. Vashona anobuda panguva ino achiendera mberi achiti there is a political reality that we have witnessed over the past few months. He has spent 1 year and 3 months calling President Idi Mnangagwa names and launching all sorts of attacks. He even went further by attacking the president's family and business people using names such as Zvigananda. This was done in the name of opposing the 2030 party position, which emerged from the 2024 party conference resolutions in Bulawayo. It was cemented at the 2025 ZANU-PF conference in Mutare. It became the most popular resolution number 1. This resolution comes against the backdrop of tangible evidence of economic development towards Vision 2030, with many results being witnessed across the country. However, what is amazing is that those who were working with Gates against 2030 are now saying that President Idi Mnangagwa must remain in office until 2030. They have shifted their fight to one individual, Dr. Tagure, a man who has been working for the party manifesto, President Idi Mnangagwa's vision and resolution number 1. Ironically, Dr. Tagure was also called names by the same Gezakabo. Today, they are spreading lies that he wants to replace President Mnangagwa. What is even more astonishing is that the so-called successionists who were against the 2030 are now labeling Dr. Tagure as someone with ambitions. A political analyst might ask a genuine question: are these people genuinely supporting the 2030 vision and the party resolution, or are they the new 2015, 2016, 17 G40 cabal that once missued President Mugabe? The reality of the political landscape in Zimbabwe is that President Idi Mnangagwa is the greatest political, intelligent, and economic strategist in Zimbabwean history. Never underestimate him. By thinking you are smarter, you will outwit you and your group with ease. Domashoko anobuda achitaura panapa navashona ari kuuya panguva inoi achitaura mashoko ekuachisa blame chaos yamuri kuona the ruling party ZANU-PF right now. Muchiona kuti these guys, they are fighting against each other. They are trying kuda kuuya vachipa a picture yekuti ZANU-PF ine unity, but those people vamunoona vayataka mutungamiri wenyika vari kusaidira mawo veterans, kusaidira Bombshell ndo now vakutanga kuataka Dr. Tagure. Mashoko anonyatsoonekwa kunzi these guys kana ari manyepo vanogona. People pa-lieutenants are Bombshell. They are still calling Bombshell kuti aiwa ngauye atendanise Zvigananda just because Zvigananda zviri ngoripo panguva ino kuzongoluta ma-resources. Ivo pachavo vaisapota Dr. Tagure, vaisapota Natungwarara panguva ino ndo vari kuona kunzi they are not fighting each other, that's because they feel jealous. Ndoda kuti kune vamwe vanhu vakubenefita more kudarika vamwe. Ndina comment section medu nzavafungura muri kudi pamusoro pekesi iri kuitika mudheruling party ZANU-PF. Ndina comment section medu, subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.